Neron, kay imong giabrihan. Ihaw, itor. Ikaw bang tae?
Say hi! I love this job! It makes me feel grounded. That's why I love doing this job. I've been doing this for like 5 years now in my farm.
Yeah, let's go.
I love this job. Like, it makes me like realize that I'm a person and that I can do my own shit and that I can eat. That's why I love this pig. Like,
Dito ka lumaki?
they remind me of myself so much.
Dito ka lumaki po?
Yes, dito pala lumaki sa aming piggery. Marami po kaming baboy. Ang dami ang baboy.